guys, and welcome to PewDiePie Legend of the Brofist, part 5, I believe? I don't know. Well, we're doing a new level. Abandoned Subway. So let's get started. I don't know, I think this level's really short, so it might be a short video. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh god. Run away. Oh no. Oh. What do I do? Idea. Yes. Oh. See that, boyos? That takes skill. What the hell are you? Gotti. So apparently you can get patches in these like little trash piles. I'm smart, so I discovered this. Ouch. What are these things? Oh god. Oh my god. This place is just like slaughtered. It's like an onslaught. What the heck are you? Are they power-ups? Ouch. Okay, no they're not. Okay, pow. Ouch. Okay, so whatever that thing is coming from this side. So I want to get over here. Yay! I'm wiener. Oh, what's up, bro? What's up? Ouch. Doing? No, I don't have another app. Yeah, those stupid games are like, oh, we're a complete copy of that crap. Come buy us, we're desperate. Like, no, I'm not gonna download your app, no matter what you try. And they really should be saying, we'll stop annoying you with these ads if you buy our product. That's what they should be saying. Okay, here we go. And I'm the wiener. That takes skills. Yes, I am wiener. Let's see. Oh, Sonic Barrel. And boom. I wonder what the whole thing is like. That would be cool. Well, that wraps up the video. And I'll make a new video soon. So, bye guys.